RoboForex Honest Review App. The pros, the cons. If you're into trading, the RoboForex app promises seamless access to markets, but is it right for you? One of the biggest pros is mobility. Most people get this wrong by assuming serious trading can only happen on desktop platforms. With RoboForex, you can trade Forex, KIFs and cryptocurrencies directly from your phone. Charts are interactive and you can set alerts for price changes, keeping you informed in real time. Another advantage is account management. You can deposit and withdraw funds, monitor portfolio performance, and even use leverage settings safely within the app. Notifications help track margin levels and market news instantly. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional light during high market volatility, which could affect fast trades. Advanced charting and technical analysis tools are more limited on mobile compared to desktop platforms. In conclusion, the RoboForex app is a powerful tool for traders who want flexibility and on-the-go market access. The surprising truth is that while it's excellent for monitoring and basic trading, desktop platforms are still preferable for in-depth analysis or high-frequency trading, for casual traders or those needing real-time access away from the desk. This app is highly effective, but heavy traders should still rely on desktop tools for complex strategies.